I woke up around 3:50 a.m. and right now I just finished my workout, specifically abs work. And guess what? What's today's agenda? It's the first day of school. Wake up. It's the first of the school.
Abay na ka?
Hi, Dai. Ito mag-ihip. Ayos. Ano nga pala? Dapat ko. Wala senior. Hi, guys. Hi. Survivor din ng katugon kayong
Kanina pa yun. Ano?
Natog ni. Gamay. Hi. Gibutang na ko ang towel dito sa
Ako ko ingani daw.
may likod. May likod. Gibutang ako kay Laika. Kay igang na jud kayo ganina. Hindi na kaya. Like swear. This is our lunch.
Must be protected from loudest and 6. Students are not allowed to use the lavatory during class time without the presence of the teacher.
Aww. Pero ba mo? Grabe yung pagsubok na mo ni Laika. Grabe yung pagsubok na mo ni Laika. Bayer. Aircon pa ang bus. Nagtindog kami at first. Siyempre, ang pamasahe. Hapit kami na mo. Kabalo makaday. Kabalo makaday. Nakasikogod ko og babae day. Ito, tanaw. Nakasikog. Banana ko itong naglikod. Yung bago pa ka nagkasakay.
Kapansin na tayo na discount.
Nya tong pabalhin mo kana ay ko kung babae sa clinic.
Ay, naiko ko.
Oo, kapag naan. Laban. First day pa lang gani niya. First day pa ni. Wala pa ni. Napa dyan night times na kanang kapoy kita. Pero sige, be kind gihapon. Be patient gihapon. As we should, you know. Ano ang dyan na. At least, nakasurvive ka and safe ka. Dito dapat sa park. Ikaw? Thank you, Papa God, for the safety ride and for safety everything. Survive mo
Hindi ka magsayo pa, no?
Magsayo ko pero malate ako. Ay, malate ko. Napamiyas ka so. What a day. Somehow, I survived. And that's the best thing. I just need to be patient, have patience, and have kind-hearted. Be kind-hearted, I mean, as I should, and I'll be fine. Still, so thankful for this day, despite of the challenges I've encountered. You know, I've walked like kilometers, really, but you know, I learned my lessons, and I might do it again. Yeah, I'm still happy for everything. So proud of myself, really.